lot more, right? With this new CapCut feature, you can actually go viral on your Facebook with your videos even without showing your face. Everything is handled by this particular tool right here. So in this very video, I'm going to simply show you on how you can actually use the free CapCut text to video and generate videos like this.
Hey, what if I told you that you could slash your shipping time in half and save hundreds on labels this year? Stick around because I'm diving into the Munbin thermal label printer.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro, all the latest updates and features you need to know.
Hey, want to learn high-income digital skills using just your phone? Join our Telegram community. It's all from John Francis.
Still they watch funny videos.
Bros, me I did blogging and YouTube automation with my phone, oh man. Made 550k clients last week.
The best part is that both the voiceover, the clips, the subtitles are all going to be generated for you even without you stressing it out, okay? So this is going to simply work for you whether you're using mobile phone or desktop. Alright, so I'm going to simply use the mobile phone, and this is also going to work for you on your mobile phone, Android, iOS, and a lot more. Right? As you are here, there are a lot of features on the CapCut Pro. They have the post template, they have the retouch, they have auto caption, and if you scroll down, you're going to see text to video, right? And this is actually going to simply help you build a YouTube channel that's going to simply make you passive income online. And all you need to do is simply pick a niche. It could be tech review, it could be AI update, it could be AI tech channel, AI news channel, it could be about making money online, it could be about finance, anything. All right, all you need to do is simply give it a prompt and it's going to simply generate a video, and you can simply copy this video and publish that on YouTube. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, you get your channel monetized and you start generating passive income from your YouTube channel with your mobile phone. All right, so all you need to do right now is simply watch this video down to the very end because I'm going to show you how to do that on my mobile phone. All right, so first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and download CapCut and you get yourself a pro version of it. Okay, this is the CapCut section right. You're going to see, you can see the ones I've already generated, and these stuffs are all cool. Okay, so if you click on the all to section, if you click on that, just scroll down a little bit and come over to test script to video. Okay, so this script to video will allow you to write your own script right here. I would advise you to write your own script so that you won't end up generating something that people are not interested in. Okay, so all you need to do is to simply utilize tools like ChatGPT. You can utilize DeepSeek, Grok, and all of that to generate your script. So I'm going to simply use ChatGPT for that. Okay, so before you generate your script, make sure you have your niche all available for you. Okay, so it could be a tech review channel where you review mobile phone, laptop, tech related stuff. Okay, and you can easily add affiliate links from Amazon to your video link and also generate income from that. Okay, head over to your ChatGPT. All right, so I've already generated a script. I told it to generate a video script for me. Okay, so this is what I wrote here. If I go up a little bit, this is what I wrote here. I want you to generate a YouTube video script of 3 minutes, and on this topic, iPhone 17 Pro and latest updates you should know. All right, so if you scroll down right, you're gonna see this is what it says here. It started generating stuff like this. I don't really like it because I will have to go ahead and start editing this stuff, because if I copy it like this, the voiceover is also going to simply say intro 0.00 blah blah blah. I don't want that. Okay, I just want it to start from the main script. Okay, so this is the main one right now. Okay, you can see right here, this is the main video. Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about iPhone 17 Pro and all the latest updates and features you need to know. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is simply copy this stuff the way it is right now. I'm going to simply copy it. All right, so for me to copy that, I'm going to simply head over and highlight it, then click on this select text. Okay, when you click on that, just select from here, then you scroll down, keep scrolling down. Okay, then you hit on the copy button. When you copy that, just go over to the CapCut. All right, remember we're on the script to video section. Then hit on this, paste your script right here. All right, so when you paste that, make sure everything is working perfectly the way you want it. And the best part is that this doesn't really take a lot of time. So just click on this done button, and they're going to ask you a question. Do you want a smart generation where they can actually generate this video with materials from CapCut, or you want them to generate this video from your device? So I'm going to simply tell them to generate the video from CapCut materials. All right, so I'm going to simply hit on this one, and you can see right here the video is already generating. So let's wait for it to do the work. So guys, if you're watching this video and you're getting value from this video, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, and also make sure you turn on the bell notification icon, very important, so you get my update whenever I drop a new video. Okay. You can show right here, the subtitle is here, the text to speech is here, which is the voice. So let's go back and play the video.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about the iPhone 17 Pro, all the latest updates and features you need to know. Apple is pushing the boundaries again with the iPhone 17 Pro, starting with a sleek new design. It's expected to be lighter and thinner than ever before, thanks to...
Alright, so you can show right here, this particular video right now is what most people spend a lot of hours to edit, to create, to even download the stock videos, right? So all of those things right there you see right here on this particular CapCut are just done in few minutes for you. All right, no need to go to Pixabay, Pexel to search for matching clip of your AI voiceover. No need to do all of those things. You just have to head over to your CapCut, give it your script, and it's going to simply generate this video for you, and it will match with the voiceover. And with this, you're going to simply generate a video for yourself, publish that on YouTube. Even if you don't hit 1,000 subscribers, you can actually make money from YouTube by integrating affiliate links to your YouTube description. Okay, for instance, if you're promoting this stuff right here and you're going to simply add your affiliate link from Amazon where the people can buy this particular mobile phone, right, and it's going to simply work perfectly for you. And all you need to do is simply give it your prompt, and it's going to simply generate that for you. Okay, and with this, you're going to simply build a community for yourself, even without showing your face or adding your own voice. All right, so if you found this helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. And don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel for more updates on how to build an online business on this online space. All right, see you in the next one. If you want to learn how to make money with AdMob by developing your own application, just make sure you watch this video, right?